How to set up and install MetaMask on Google Chrome browser. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can set up and install MetaMask on Google Chrome browser. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up and install MetaMask on Google Chrome browser, first of all, open the Google Chrome browser, right? And then you simply want to go to MetaMask.io. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. So when you go to MetaMask.io, you'll land on this web page over here, and then you'll find the option called Download for Chrome. So if you're logged in from, let's say, Microsoft Edge or Brave, you'll see download for those options, but in this case we're logged in from Google Chrome, so we're just going to click on the option that says download for Chrome, which you see over here. Once you click on the option called download from Chrome, it'll directly take you to your Chrome web store. First, where you need to click on the option that is add to Chrome over here. As you click on add to Chrome, just click on the option called add extension, and as you click on add extension over here, it'll automatically add the extension to your Chrome account or to your Chrome web page. So we're going to wait until the extension has actually been added basically. So you can see MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Now MetaMask will automatically open up in a new browser and then actually ask us to set up a wallet. So if you have a wallet, you can go to import an existing wallet over here and just click on the I agree button. You can enter your secret phrase and so on in order to go ahead and then simply actually log into your MetaMask account or your wallet account. But if you don't, just choose the option called create a new wallet, agree to the terms and conditions, then just make sure to enter a password. After that, again, make sure to enter a password for your MetaMask account. Then after you do that, agree to the terms and conditions, just click on create a new wallet button. And as you've done that, it will take us to a new page where you can enter your recovery phrase, but I'll just do this later because it's not really necessary for me right now. But you can just select secure my wallet. In this case, I'll just select remind me later, I understand, and then just click on skip. After I do that, I'll have successfully installed and set up MetaMask on Google Chrome browser. That's all it takes to set up and install MetaMask on Google Chrome. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.